If your Face ID or fingerprint stopped working, first make sure it still works on your phone. Restart your device, then log into PNC using your password. After that, head over to your settings and re-enable biometric login. If it still fails, log out and back in. Before logging back in once, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and then swipe it away. This will clear. After that, log back in. This clears the glitches. After that, reinstall the app. Long press on the PNC app icon and then click on remove app. After removing, for reinstalling, open your app store, search for PNC mobile banking and then reinstall your app from there only. Reinstalling the app can also reset biometric issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.